Back for good, they say, don't they?
Yeah.
Anyway, this is Martha. If you've never seen Martha on a video before, we've done a mock test, didn't we? About, when was it?
Like
2 months?
yeah.
2 months ago. I'll put the video at the top and in the description if you want to watch it. Done a mock test. It was quite a good mock test, actually.
Yeah.
But today we're working on parallel parking because it's something that you're a bit weak on, aren't you?
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll get the cameras all sorted and we'll film Martha doing parallel parking. If you like the video, by the way, and you want to put a comment,
Make sure you subscribe too, guys. Don't watch for free.
Right, when you're ready, Martha, start the car, please. And we'll go ahead at the roundabout. That's it. Taking second exit. Just keep following the road ahead here, please. And left at the next one, please. Don't act so serious. Have a look at the road. Clear? So we've got a car ahead of us there, yeah, on the left. We're going to pull up before it by the just by that blue box, or just past the blue box. But give yourself plenty of space from the car. Okay. That'll do. Go any closer. Closer you get, more work. This sort of thing you're going to get maybe a little bit further back on the driving test, and all they're going to say to you is get yourself parallel with the car, reverse back behind it, excuse me, finish within 2 car lengths, reasonably close to the curb. 2 car lengths includes your car that you're driving. If you feel like you're going too far back, stop, and you can always do a shunt forward. But if you're going to do a shunt, select the gear, look round.
Okay.
All right. And the problem we had last time was we were either mounting the curb, weren't we? Or we're too far away.
Yeah.
All right. So should we do the first one together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or should I do it by myself?
It's up to you. Do you want to try it yourself?
I'll do it by myself, and
Alright.
then we can do.
All right. Then. And I'll be tight-lipped.
Yeah.
I won't say anything.
Yeah. I'll just do it myself.
Is there any questions about anything?
No, not yet.
If just something that could happen. If you start to pull out, it's clear, and as you're driving towards the car, and a car appears behind you or ahead of you, as you're driving towards the car that's parked up, show a signal, tell them that you're stopping next to the car, and then when you select reverse cancel signal, that's telling people you're stopping.
Okay.
All right. Otherwise, they might just drive right behind you, but better to do the manoeuvre. Okay. So there you go. Turn it off. Be quiet. So in your own time then. Yeah? Done? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Shall I tell you the bits that we want to try and improve on a little bit?
Yeah.
The manoeuvre you've got in, right? So let's just talk about the little bits. When you watch the video back, you'll realise this. When you stop parallels the car, don't let the car roll forward when you're in reverse. So that's a fault for rolling forward. Yeah. And check both blind spots before you start reversing. Once you started reversing, you started looking round. That's fine. Yeah. When you're coming towards the curb, you're paying a lot of attention to the mirror on the left. When you look in the mirror, if it looks fine, look over your left shoulder, have a look over your right shoulder, make sure nothing's approaching. Just make sure it's definitely safe. Okay? Because if you're paying too much attention to one mirror, you might miss something approaching. And at the end, right at the end, you're nice and parallel, one full turn left, straighten your wheels. Your wheels are pointing out still. It can be done, can't it? So as you pop it in reverse, if I show you now, as you're coming in now, just one full turn as you're finishing off there. And that way, it's definitely parallel, because when you want to drive out, it's easy then, you know where your wheels are, but if your wheels are sticking out, there's a risk that maybe someone's going to catch your wheel if it's a narrow road, or if you carry on straightening yourself up, your tyre's going to hit the curb because it's sticking out.
Yeah.
But I'll give that a 9 out of 10.
That's alright.
It's not bad.
Okay. Should we just do one together, but you guide me through it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want the same car?
Yeah.
Let's reverse back a bit more then.
Okay.
So it feels like it's the sort of space they're going to give you on the test. So check both shoulders. That's it. That's the idea. Because it's not a rush to kind of get on with it. They're going to give you about 5 minutes.
Is that enough?
Do you feel happy with that? Do you want more?
I'm okay with that.
Right, and fine. So we're going to get ourselves out and next to the car. So we just got to look at the road and look behind you. Make sure it's safe.
Okay.
So don't let the car roll.
Okay.
That's it. And then get yourself parallel. Right, now this is the point where you roll forward. So when you pop it in reverse, either put your handbrake on or make sure you get your biting point fairly quick.
Okay.
Have a look over shoulders. Both shoulders. Off the brake a bit. That's it. And once the point where you want to turn, you do your one full turn left, which is what you were doing.
Yeah.
So that bit's good. Quick look over your right shoulder. That's it, because the car's swinging out, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then take your time. You got quite good angles. That's your angle, yeah. So it's a right turn, straighten wheels up. Have a look over your shoulders again. And then that's it. So look in the mirror for a couple of seconds. Look over your right shoulder. And then just start big turn now to the right, as much as you can to get it in. So it's going in quite nice now, isn't it? So it's not going to hit the curb. Quick look round. And then concentrate on the front. As it comes in, left turn, 1.5 turns straight away.
Okay.
One more full turn to go. And then you're done.
Okay.
So it's just a little bit of a tweak. Handbrake neutral. And all we were doing then is, on your first one, you were just, because you started turning earlier, you took your time, didn't you? On that one they were a bit closer, so I've got to get the steering on a bit quicker. So you have to kind of react to how far away it is.
Okay. So when I'm turning right, I have to make a full turn.
At the beginning, yeah.
Yeah.
So one full turn of the wheel. So it's one full turn left to start with. That'll kind of start bringing the car out to the right, which brings the back to the left. Once you've got your angle, straighten wheels up, so it's one full turn to the right.
Okay.
That hedges the curb, doesn't it? And when you get into the point where you feel you're getting close, you start turning right. Sometimes it can be one full turn, sometimes it can be full lock. It depends how far away you are.
Okay.
And the way you done it the first time was you started putting it on, started putting more on, so you're feeding it, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with doing that. But on the second time, we're a bit closer, so I went straight to full lock to get yourself in.
Okay.
So it's just changing it to suit the situation.
Yeah. I think I need to check my mirrors. I do like focus on the mirrors a lot because I want to make sure that, I'm in there.
Yeah. And if you're going to hit the curb, what do you do?
I need to stop.
Stop the car, yeah. Move forward, yeah. So if you're going to move forward, first gear, check both shoulders, make sure it's safe, and then move forward. And the options that you got depends on where the car is when you're stopping. If the car's nearly in, then it's just a straightforward first gear, look around and drive in and park up. if the car's sticking out a lot, then you might have to go forward a bit out to get a better position to turn in. You know? Happy?
Yes.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.